Here the call option has received a strong wick rejection from the downside and now is trading above the vwap, showing strong buying pressure and thus giving an early indication of upside momentum. I made an entry using bracket order with a stop loss of 10 points and a target of 15 points. Since my stop loss and target is set, I can patiently wait for the outcome of the trade. This is why I love using bracket order for trading. In my style of scalping, trailing stop loss is fundamental. As the price starts going in my favor, I trail my stop loss, thus reducing my risk in case of unexpected reversals. Now stop loss is just below the vwap. The option price should ideally stay above it now if the buyers are in control. Here I have increased my target because I am finding the price action favorable for a bigger move on the upside in the call option. Finally, the momentum has arrived and thus there is acceleration in the option price and the target order is hit.